In the heart of Russia's defense industry, something extraordinary is happening. After decades of silence, the mighty Tu-160 Blackjack, once a Cold War legend, is roaring back to life. In 2025, Russia has restarted production of this supersonic nuclear bomber, a move that signals both ambition and desperation in equal measure. The Tu-160 first took flight in 1981, a marvel of Soviet engineering, capable of reaching Mach 2. It remains the heaviest, fastest, and most powerful bomber ever built. Only 36 were produced before the Soviet collapse, and for years, most were mothballed, scrapped, or left to decay. But for Russia, the Tu-160 was never just an aircraft. It was a symbol of national power. By the mid-2000s, the Kremlin realized that its bomber fleet was aging. Modern alternatives, like the PA-KDA stealth project, were delayed. So in 2018, Moscow ordered the resurrection of the Tu-160, this time as the Tu-160M and Tu-160M2, with upgraded avionics, engines, and weapon systems. By 2025, that project has become one of Russia's top military priorities. The Kazan Aviation Plant, where the original bombers were built, has undergone massive renovation. New workshops, titanium welding facilities, and digital manufacturing tools have been installed. Old Soviet airframes were pulled from storage and re-engineered with modern systems. Officials claim new production, but in reality, many Tu-160s built today still rely on Soviet-era parts. The goal? To build up to 10 modernized bombers by 2027. But in truth, by the end of 2025, only a handful, perhaps 4 fully modernized Tu-160Ms have taken to the skies. Rebuilding a machine like the Tu-160 isn't easy. Some Soviet manufacturing techniques were lost decades ago. Russia had to relearn vacuum titanium welding and restart production of the massive NK-32 engines, a process slowed by Western sanctions and a shortage of skilled labor. Despite official optimism, insiders report delays, material shortages, and production bottlenecks that keep mass production far from reality. The Tu-160M's upgraded NK-32-02 engines are more fuel efficient, increasing its range to nearly 12,000 kilometers. Its cockpit and navigation systems are now digital, and it can carry a wide range of new cruise missiles, including the KH-101 and KH-102 nuclear variants. Even so, most of these upgrades serve one purpose: to buy time until Russia's stealth bomber, the PA-KDA, is ready for deployment. For Moscow, reviving the Tu-160 is a show of strength, proof that Russia can still build strategic weapons despite sanctions and war. But for analysts, it's also a sign of weakness, a reliance on Cold War technology in a modern age of stealth and precision. The Tu-160's return is both a triumph and a reminder of limits. A legend reborn, but not reinvented. If you found this analysis insightful, subscribe for more deep military documentaries. Leave a comment on what topic we should explore next. And as always, stay informed, stay curious, and keep watching the skies.